Ay, 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 ay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. So happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing well. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new to the channel, then hey girl, hey, what's up? What's goody, baby? If you are an oldie but a goodie, put it in the comments. Not now, but right now, oldie but
turn right onto North Carolina 42 East.
A goodie. So you guys, I did a little something with my hair. I put some flexi rods in my hair or whatever, and I'm kind of digging it or whatever. I'm really digging the curls. I got the curls for the girls today, okay? So I'm currently in the line because the Dunkin Doughnuts is finally open, okay? It's finally open. And I'm going to get me, I think I'm going to get me a nice cool beverage because I am on the way. Y'all will not believe where I'm about to go, but y'all probably see from the title of this video. I'm going to get my nails done. Yeah, so y'all know I've been on this kick with the press-on nails for a while, and I'm not opposed to getting more press-ons because I will be getting more press-ons later. But right now, it just seemed like the press-ons last.
Toward Commerce Parkway.
The press-ons last, but I think I'm too rough for them, and I'm having to keep continuously change them up and having to keep reapplying them with glue, and I'm just kind of over that right now. I'm ready for me like a real full set. Hold the line, please. Hold the line.
Thank you for choosing Dunkin' Doughnuts as one of our wake-up wraps today.
Good morning. Can I get a refresher?
Yeah, of course.
What flavors do you have?
We have peach passion fruit, strawberry dragon fruit, and mango pineapple.
Let me try the mango pineapple refresher.
You said the mango pineapple? What size?
I'll do a medium.
Medium, alrighty. And then do you want green tea, coconut milk, or lemonade in that?
What was the options again?
Green tea, lemonade, or coconut milk?
I'll try coconut milk.
Alrighty. Anything else for you today?
So does that make it like creamy?
Not necessarily.
Yeah.
I mean, I think a lot of people like the coconut milk for that. I personally just don't like coconut milk, but I don't think it really makes it creamy. I think it kind of keeps the same texture. I
got you. Okay, well, yeah, I'll try with the coconut milk. I'll give it a whirl.
Alrighty. Anything else?
And, what's in your croissant stuffers?
So that's going to be chicken, bacon, and cheese stuffed inside of a croissant.
Chicken, bacon, and cheese?
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, I want that.
Alrighty, good choice. What else can I do for you?
That'll be all.
Alright, would you like to make a small donation to the special fix today?
No, thank you.
Alrighty, you can pull it around.
Alright, thank you. So, yes, I'm just ready to get back to me. Like, I'm not opposed to the press-ons. I love the press-ons. The press-ons did what it was supposed to do. But I'm just ready to get back to me and get back to Carla. Like, I'm known, well, if you know me, you know me. One thing that I like to do for myself is go get pampered and get my nails done. And since I was doing the press-ons for a while, I wasn't getting that experience that I like to get when I go to the nail shop. And plus my husband was like, go get your nails done because I'm tired of you having to find the glue, first you got to go find the nails because you be one place and the nails be another place, and you got to go find glue. He was like, why don't you just go get your nails done? I'm like, you tired of me looking for glue? He tired of me hunting for glue, y'all. So, and I normally keep the glue with me, but you know, if I change up purses or whatever, if I don't think to remember to grab the glue, then it's like, now I walk around with 9-finger Nancy, and y'all know I don't do the 9-finger Nancy type thing. I don't do that. Or the 7-finger Stephanie. Nah, we don't do that. Either all or none. Okay. So I've been actually letting my natural nails breathe for like the last week or two. Just been kind of letting them breathe. Nothing on them. No. I just put like a little clear, a clear top coat on the nails or whatever, and that's what I've been doing like for the last week or two, just to kind of let them breathe or whatever. But it's time now, y'all. So I'm about to get me a little drinky drink. Got me a little croissant, a little stuffed crust croissant, which I've never had before, not from here. And we're going to the nail shop, y'all. We going to the nail shop. We go into the nail shop. I'm so excited. I'm excited for myself about it, okay? So, as women, because I know a lot of you ladies, I know a lot of ladies watch me, okay? I know there are a few guys, but as far, I'm talking to my ladies. So, ladies, so what are some things? Comment down below. We got to do some engagement here, okay? Don't just sit and look at me. I know I look pretty or whatever. I know you want to look at me, but we're going to talk in the comments, okay? What are some things that you like to do for yourself that makes you feel good? Some women like going to get their nails done. I know some of you like going to get your hair done. If you put on your wig, you feel good. Like I know for me, when I put on my wig, I feel good. I don't have to have, you know, the glitz and the glamour and everything, but if I put on me a nice wig, I feel good about myself. So what are some things that you like to do for yourself to kind of pamper yourself and just to make yourself feel good? If it's just doing your eyebrows and putting on some lip gloss, or put on a little bit of makeup, or, you know, buying something for the house, or you like going to buy, if you like going to shop, you know, stuff for the house, if you like going to buy stuff for the kids. Like, what is some stuff that makes you feel good as a woman? You know, and it can be anything. I mean, whatever floats your boat, because everybody likes certain stuff, different things. And for me, I just like getting my nails done. That's just a part of my routine of something that I love doing for myself. I feel good about myself when I have my nails done. It's just something about my nails. I feel good when I put on my wigs. I could be feeling like down in the dumps about certain situations because life happened. Life is life. You know what I'm saying? But I try my best to keep myself feeling good most of the time. Not saying all the time, but most of the time. So y'all let me know, like, what are some things that you do for yourself that makes you feel good? If it's putting on a full face of makeup to go absolutely nowhere. Like, what are some things that you like to do? But anyway, so I've been rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and get my drink. I'll put my glasses on, my shades on. Okay. I'm loving my hair, y'all. And I put a little bit of color in my hair. Just some brown highlights. Something real simple. Flexi rod my hair about 2 days ago, and I let the rods just sit in. So I got this, and I just literally finger unraveled the curls. Oh my gosh, come on. I got to go. I got to be at the salon by a certain time, and I don't play about my appointments. I like to be on time because I like to respect people's time. And I'm about to say, forget it if they're going to take this long. Jeez. Hey. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. All right, y'all. Let's see what this drink is calling for. Let's see what this drink is hitting for. I know somebody had asked me, who that was that asked me. I think it was Darkest from Life with the Allens. I think if I'm saying their name right. If Darkest, if you're watching this, you saw what I just got. So I'll put it in the description box as to what I got. But When I come
turn
to
right
Dunkin',
onto Commerce Parkway, then turn right onto North Carolina 42 East.
when I used to work at my old job, it was a Dunkin Doughnuts right down the street from my job, and I used to get different drinks from there all the time.
Turn right onto North Carolina 42 East.
And so you
in 1,000 feet, use the right lane to take the I-40 West ramp to Raleigh.
So I'm about to see what it's hitting for. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is so good.
Use the right lane to take the I-40 West ramp.
Y'all, this is good. This is delicious. Oh my God.
In 800 feet, merge onto I-40 West.
This is delicious, y'all.
Head northeast on North Carolina 42 East.
Starbucks, Starbeezy's, Dunkin' coming for y'all with this refresher drinks.
Head south toward I-40 West.
Dunkin' might be coming for Starbeezy's. This refresher is so good. It's really good. Alright, so I want to listen to some music, eat my croissant, and get on down this good old road on this highway. I'm gonna focus me and my music, and I will call y'all back when we get to the salon. To the salon. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la.
This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. The cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, wait until you get jabba. Let me. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, the getting, ride, I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon,
She wakes up early every morning just to do her hair now because she cares, y'all. Her hair wouldn't be right without her makeup. She's never had a makeup. She's just like you and me, but she's homeless. She's homeless. And she stands there singing for money. La-da-dee-da-doo-da, la-da-dee-da-doo-da.
we're going outside to take some pictures, y'all. But if y'all are in the Durham area, if y'all in the Raleigh, Durham area, and y'all looking for a bomb nail tech, y'all come see my girl Shy. You want to be on camera? You go ahead and put your plug in. Tell them where you put your Instagram.
I am Shy Bella, Instagram, and I am North Duke Street, 3925 North Duke Street, Suite 121.
All right, and I'll put her information in the description box, you guys. And I also put her Instagram across the screen. So if y'all were looking for a bomb nail tech, y'all come check her out, because she got your girl right, okay?
Miss Carla is so nice.
And look, she is she a Cancer, y'all. So me and her was in here vibing, y'all. When I say we click. This might be my new best friend, okay? Anyways, but y'all, I love my nails, and she noticed I talk with my hands. She noticed I talk with my hands, but she got me right, y'all. I love my nails. I love them. Let me show y'all a picture of them again. And y'all will see on the thumbnail how they actually look. Anyway, so yeah, y'all come and check my girl out. And thank you again. It was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Y'all want to get another look at my bomb nail tech? That's my new friend, y'all. That's my new friend. And she was she gave me this little doohickey right here. It's where you put your clip in. Let me show y'all real quick. It's where the credit card thing. So this is the clip that she gave me. It's a little clip, and it's go on the key ring. So what I do is, when I'm at the ATM machine, I'll put this clip right here on my debit card, and when I'm putting it in the machine, I'll pull it out. So that's what that looks like. And she gave this to me, y'all. It's so sweet, and I picked the color purple, because y'all know purple is reminds me of my mama. Purple is just the color that gives me strength, y'all. It's just something about the color purple. But I thought this was a really cute little gadget that she gave me. Shout out to Shy for giving me that little gift. And we were just in there vibing, having a really, really good conversation, y'all. And it's just nothing like meeting it's just something about when you getting services from people, and you're gonna have like some good conversation. Anyway, so yeah, I'm loving my nails. Y'all know I talk with my hands. I am back in business, boo. Okay. But anyway, I need to stop and get me some gas. And I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Hope you guys have enjoyed hanging out with me, getting my nails done. I'll see y'all on my next video. Remember to keep looking good. Remember to keep smelling good. And I will see y'all on my next vlog. Bye.